ain't got no truck, but I'm at the bus station with 20 bucks, and I'm riding on that old dirty dog. There's a line of people standing at the gate, and that Greyhound bus is running late, and I'm riding on that old dirty dog. Well, I'm riding on that old dirty dog. Well, I'm riding on that old dirty dog. Everybody here is half insane, and next time I'm gonna take the train, 'cause I'm riding on that old dirty dog. They bummed all my smokes, I ain't got no more. There's about 20 people sleeping on the floor, and I'm wanting to call the folks back home, but some crazy woman done stole my phone. How about a solo? Now we're pushing and shoving to get on the bus. I didn't know the drivers was allowed to cuss, and I'm riding on that old dirty dog. Well, there's an old hooker that's past her prime, and she ain't had a bath in a long, long time. I'm riding on that old dirty dog. Well, I'm riding on that old dirty dog. I'm riding on that old dirty dog. That guy beside me sure likes to talk, and I swear next time I'm gonna walk. I'm riding on that old dirty dog. Got a toothless dude in a cowboy hat, got a dope smoking hippie with a service cat, and they're all kinds of fun and thrills. They're smoking crack and snorting pills. Well, I'm riding on that old dirty dog. Well, I'm riding on that old dirty dog. All they do is cough and sneeze, and can I have $1, please? I'm riding on that old dirty dog. Yeah, I'm riding on that old dirty dog. I'm riding on that old dirty dog. All they do is cough and sneeze, and can I have $1, please? Riding on that old dirty dog. Yeah, riding on that old dirty dog. Riding on that old dirty dog. Riding on that old dirty dog.
Hey, what's those two doing back here? Man, what's on the back of this seat? That's it. I'm getting off. Next stop. What's that noise?